Hello friends, welcome back to another video of C programming. So in today's video, let's learn about C tokens. First and foremost, let us know what is meant by C tokens. C tokens is nothing but smallest unit of a C program. So C tokens are the smallest unit of a C program. The definition of C tokens is it is the smallest unit of a C program. So let's go with the example. So example of C tokens can be for, if, etc. So there are different types of C tokens as mentioned below. So these are the types of C tokens. They are keywords, special symbols, constants, strings, identifiers, operators. Let's look after this one by one. Friends, I'm gonna give the general introduction to all these things. The detailed introduction for each of the types will be in my upcoming videos. So let's go with the keywords. Okay, what do you mean by keywords? So keywords are nothing but, so these are the variables which have got special meaning and these are predefined in the C library. Okay, I'll explain it with an example so that you can understand it better. Example is for, if. So keywords are nothing but it is a specific words. So these are the specific words and the meaning of these words or the definition of these words are predefined, already defined. It will be defined in the C libraries. So these are called as the keywords and its meaning also cannot be changed. Other example can be else, mean, etc. I hope you understood what is keyword. So if you have got any doubt, you can drop down in the comment section below. Okay, so next comes the special symbols. So special symbols, as the name itself says, so these are the symbols that have got the special built-in meaning. Special symbols, so these are the symbols which have got the special built-in meaning. For example, it can be percentage, or you can say it as a modulus in the programming language, ampersand, parenthesis, and so on. So here this modulus is there, no? So this modulus, it will be used for specifying, and ampersand you already know, and the parenthesis which is used for specifying any strings or characters that has to be printed, like we use for print f statement, scan f statement. For the methods we will use the parenthesis. So these are the special symbols. So in short, special symbols are nothing but, so these have got the symbols which have got the special meaning. Let's move further. Let's go for constants. Okay, what do you mean by constants? Constants, as the name itself says, here the values that are given will be fixed, and in the middle of the program or at any other side, you cannot change the value that is assigned to the constants. So the constants are like, for example, int. For example, the constants can be like int a is equal to 10. So here the value is already been assigned. The value of a that is stored is 10, and you cannot change this value once it is declared. Okay, so once it is declared, you cannot change the value of the constants. So next comes the strings. As the name itself says, I hope so you know about strings. If not, I'll define what is strings. So strings is nothing but it is the set of the characters and it is defined in the form of an array. So strings in short, it is nothing but set of characters. For example, example for string can be like material. So these are nothing but strings, and you have to remember that strings will be defined within the double quotes, so that they are called as strings. Okay, next comes identifiers. Identifier, the name identifier means it is used for identifying, right? So in the same way, identifier means it is used to declare a value, variable, array, etc. So identifiers can be like, suppose if you are taking any variable or x, so if you assign it as 10 or 20, so it is identifying, x is identifying the value as 20. Let's take the same example of this. So the variable x or whatever you give, I'll give x. So x, it is identifying the value 10. So these are called as identifiers. Next comes the operators. Operators are nothing but these are the signs or symbols that perform specific operations that has been given. So it depends on, based on the size and symbols that you use, because different symbols have got a different operations. Okay, for example, a plus, it is used for concatenation, and you can use equal to assign, double equal to for comparing, and you can use greater than, you can use lesser than, you can use greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So these are some of the operators. So this is the basic introduction of C tokens. I hope everyone understood what is meant by C tokens. So the explanation for each of the type of the C tokens will be in the coming part of the videos. So thank you so much guys for watching till here. I hope all of you understood what is the basic idea. I hope so you got the basic idea of C tokens. In my next upcoming videos will be based on keywords, special symbols, so that is the type of C tokens. In that videos, each of the types will be explained very detailedly in a detailed way. So I wish that if you want to learn more about the types of C tokens, you watch the videos. So thank you so much guys, thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope all of you like the video. Please do share, like and subscribe, which means a lot to me, which will be a great support to us. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Happy learning.